We have the lounge where we do discussions, and we have the kitchen where we cook together. And I've added in some cauliflower. So it's a bit of a combo. I like that. Of shredded grated cheese, an egg or two, I'll see. Pink Himalayan salt. Yeah. It's already nice. So if it was less mixture, then we were just supposed to make them into little, we're probably making broccoli nuggets now. As you can see, pop this into the oven, gobble it all up by myself. It turned out really nice. Broccolini fries or broccolini wedges. How beautiful, how delicious are they looking? Sugar, tomato sauce, and I'm gonna give it a try. I will be finishing this. This is so good.